What's up, guys? I'm Anna Stewart. I'm an affiliate manager at ClickBank, and I'm here with the top 5 Nutra offers on ClickBank for March 2024. This month, we wanted to bring you even more top offers content with specific offers for specific affiliate types. So, what type of affiliate should promote Nutra offers? Well, it all kind of depends. Nutra offers can be great for beginner affiliates and seasoned affiliates. We have a lot of evergreen proven offers with excellent affiliate tools on this list, so these offers are very approachable for affiliates from all walks of life. So, without further ado, let's dive right into our top 5 Nutra offers for March 2024, starting with offer number 5. All right, we have Pro Dentum. In spot number 5, Pro Dentum is a tried and true offer that has been on this top offers list, honestly, for most of the past year. It's a dental candy that restores and protects the mouth's biome with over 3.5 billion good bacteria. It's easy to take and applies to anyone who has teeth they want to keep healthy, which is most folks. Let's break down why Pro Dentum is so appealing to affiliates. 1, trustworthy and compelling branding. 2, affiliate tools that convert, broad segments and niches, and of course, a great product. Plus, you can't beat the EPC on this, you guys. At $1.27, Pro Dentum still has plenty of traction and continues to be a lucrative offer choice for affiliates. If you think this could be the offer for you, head over to the ClickBank Marketplace and check out their listing. EPC is at $127, average payout value $130.72, and a hop conversion rate at 0.97%. All right, in spot number 4, we have Prostadine. Just like Pro Dentum, and this is from the same team, Prostadine has been tried and true. It's been a tried and true offer on ClickBank, and for so many of the same reasons. This prostate health supporting supplement is easy to take, effective, and has trustworthy and compelling branding. Plus, the affiliate tools are exceptional. The folks at Prostadine have put together excellent resources for affiliates and have made it easy for affiliates to align on brand and content. Also, the EPC on this offer cannot be beat. At just over $2.50, you can't pass up Prostadine. Not to mention the conversion rate on this. 1.94%, guys, is truly amazing. This offer is doing well with men over 50 and in the alternative medicine spaces. So if you think this offer could be the right one for you, check out their listing or their affiliate tools page and grab a link to get started. Again, $2.56 for EPC, average payout $132.14, and a hop conversion at 1.94%. Hey guys, just a quick interjection here. If you like this content, it really helps us out if you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to comment below and tell us what you like about the video, what else you want to see, other metrics you might want to see, or different types of offers, we'd love to do that. So just let us know, keep engaged in the comments, and we'll be down there checking it out. All right, in spot number 3, it's Live Pure. Live Pure is a diet and weight loss supplement that supports weight loss by supporting a healthy liver. With 5 super nutrients, including choline, Live Pure is a safe, proven, and effective way to drop pounds and regain a healthy lifestyle. Affiliates are loving this offer because it has a wide audience. The offer does equally as well for women and men audiences. It has awesome affiliate tools, and the branding is bright and engaging. Plus, you guys, check out this average payout, $162.50. This is an offer that works for affiliates across the spectrum. Head over to the marketplace today to check out their affiliate tools and see if this could be your next offer. EPC, $1.13, average payout at, again, $162.50. Hop conversion is a little lower at 0.70%, but man, if you can get that to convert, that payout value is phenomenal. All right, in spot number 2, it's Somatra Slim Belly Tonic. You guys, I'm excited about this one. It's relatively new to ClickBank, and it's crushing it already. Somatra Slim Belly Tonic is a weight loss supplement based on sleep science. This supplement helps folks fix their sleep schedule and improve sleep quality, which increases energy and reduces cravings. With an engaging landing page and excellent affiliate tools and an average payout value that can't be beat, Somatra Slim Belly Tonic is a great offer for affiliates looking to try out a Nutra offer or those already thriving in the space. It has a broad audience with plenty of traction. Head to the marketplace and check out their stats and get your link in today. EPC on this one is $1.10, average payout value $136.52, and hop conversion at 0.80%. The last thing I would add on this one, you guys, is this team is just absolutely phenomenal to work with. So if you have questions, reach out on their tools page and their team will get back to you and help. They're great to work with. All right, what is our top Nutra offer for the month of March? This may not come as a shocker for you guys. It is Purivive. Purivive is an all-star offer, absolutely crushing it in the Nutra space. This weight loss supplement is science-backed and proven, contains a blend of all-natural, tropical ingredients, and targets belly fat by increasing brown adipose tissue. This offer is geared toward all folks who are looking to improve health, shed pounds, and kickstart their metabolism. Both the conversion rate and the payout value on this offer are excellent. Plus, the branding and affiliate tools clearly convert. With awesome upsells and convincing testimonials, Purivive is a great offer for any affiliate. Check out their affiliate tools today and grab your link to start promoting. EPC on this one is $1.51, average payout value a solid $140.16, and hop conversion still over 1% at 1.08. This is a great offer that's been around for a few months now, but it's still crushing it. If you haven't gotten on it, now's the time. Thanks so much for joining us. Drop your questions and insights in the comments like I mentioned below, and as always, we appreciate you watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you have a chance to stay in the loop on all ClickBank top offers. We'll see you next month.